Hi students, welcome back you all. Nice to meet you again. This is Gopal from Department of Chemistry, Bharat Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to teach you the calculations in Unit 7 from 10th Chemistry. Our first model is calculation of molar mass for a given molecule. The sum is calculate the gram molar mass for water and carbon dioxide molecule. So, we need to know about the molecular formula of the compounds. From the molecular formula, easily we can calculate the molecular mass. First, the easiest molecule carbon dioxide and water. Let us see, the carbon dioxide has the molecular formula CO2. It contains one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. The molecular mass can be calculated by multiplying the number of carbon atoms 1 by the mass of carbon and multiplying the number of oxygen atom 2 by the mass of oxygen. Here, what is the mass of carbon atom? Jitesh, you tell me, what is the mass of carbon atom? Yeah, it is 12, very good. So, 1 into 12. And Samatha, what is the mass of oxygen element? 16, good. So, 16. So, answer will be 12 plus 2 into 16, 32. So, 44. Here they asked the gram molar mass. So, the gram molar mass means we need to write the molar mass with the unit gram. So, 44 gram is the answer. So, this is the answer for carbon dioxide molecule. For water molecules, you need to calculate in your home. I tell it is very easiest one. Water molecule has the formula H2O. The mass of hydrogen is 1, 2 numbers of hydrogen here, and the mass of oxygen is 16. So, you calculate easy way and find the molar mass in grams. Okay. Next one. Now, we go to the next model, calculation of mole. So, the given molar mass or from the given molecule at a standard condition, we need to calculate the mole of the molecule. Let us see. The first sum is calculate the number of moles in 46 gram of sodium. So, the sodium has the weight 46 gram. Sodium Na has the weight 46 gram. So, to find the moles, we need to find how much weight for a mole of sodium. How much a weight for 1 mole of sodium? 1 mole of sodium has the weight 23 gram. As per the periodic table, 20 gram of sodium present in the 1 mole of sodium. So, how many moles will be present in 46 gram? So, to find the moles, we need to divide the given mass divided by 1 mass for a 1 mole. What is the word represent to represent the mass of a mole of molecule? 1 mole of molecule is represented by molar mass. Molar mass. So, the given mass is 46 gram. The molar mass for sodium is 23 gram. So, the number of moles present in sodium is 46 by 23, 2 moles. So, 2 mole is the answer. So, the formula for calculating the moles is given mass divided by molar mass. So, it is the second model sum, and we go to the next. Our third model is calculation of mass from the mole. The given mass will be present in the sum, and we need to find the mole of the molecule. Now only we find the mole from the mass, but now we find the mass from the mole. It is opposite to that model. The sum is 2.24 liter of sulfur dioxide gas to find the mass from the mole, but here they did not give the mole of the sulfur dioxide. They only give the volume of sulfur dioxide, that is 2.24 liter. From the volume, how can we calculate the mole? Now I say, for every gas it has the constant volume 22.4 liter. Every gases have the constant volume 22.4 liter for 1 mole of gas. So, 1 mole of any gas will be in 22.4 liter. So, how many moles present in sulfur dioxide in this volume? The given volume 2.24 liter. To find a mole, we need to divide the given volume by molar volume. The molar volume is 22.4 liter and the given volume is 2.24 liter. So, when we strike out, we can get 1 and 0.1. So, the answer is 0.1. 0.1 mole is present in 2.24 liter of sulfur dioxide gas. So, we get a mole. From the mole, we need to find the mass of sulfur dioxide. Let us see. Before we find the mass for given sulfur dioxide, we need to know the mass of 1 mole of sulfur dioxide, that is molar mass. Molar mass of sulfur dioxide can be calculated by this method. Sulfur dioxide have 1 sulfur and 2 oxygen. So, the molar mass can be calculated by multiplying number of sulfur atoms by mass of sulfur and multiplying number of oxygen atoms by the mass of oxygen. The sulfur atom has a mass 32 and for oxygen 16. So, 32 plus 32, finally 64. The mass of sulfur atom for sulfur dioxide gas for 2.24 liter is 64. So, we can find finally the total mass of given substance by multiplying the mole by mass. The mole already calculated that 0.1 and the mass of sulfur dioxide gas 64. So, the answer is 6.4 gram of mass present in the 2.24 liter sulfur dioxide gas. So, this is the answer. Okay students, the study materials and question bank are given in the description. You want to write the self-evaluation test and send us a photography for correction, and the problems are just a model only, and another problem also given for exercise also. You need to complete the exercise by this given models and send us the photography for corrections, and thanks for making time to watching this video. Thank you.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதரை ப்ரீகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க இப்போ. அதே 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.